This NotebookLM SEO trick is absolutely insane. I'm about to show you how to take your competitors' top pages, throw them into one free tool, and get a complete content brief in 2 minutes that would normally take you 3 hours. We're talking keyword clusters, meta tags, FAQ schema, internal linking maps, all of it. This is the exact method I use to grow the AI Profit Boardroom, and it's going to change how you create content forever. All right, let's get into this. So here's the problem. You want to rank on Google, you need good content, but the research phase kills you every single time. You're spending hours looking at competitor pages. You're digging through Google Search Console. You're trying to figure out what keywords to target. You're wondering what headings to use. And by the time you're done with research, you're exhausted before you even start writing. That ends today. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency, Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now, here's where it gets crazy for SEO. You can use NotebookLM's deep research feature to automatically find and analyze your competitors' top ranking pages, plus add your customer FAQs and your draft content. Then you ask NotebookLM to generate a complete content brief, keyword clusters, search intent analysis, heading suggestions, meta tags, FAQ snippets ready for schema markup, internal linking recommendations, everything you need to publish an optimized article. And it does this in minutes instead of hours. Let me show you exactly how this works. First, you're going to use the deep research feature. This is where NotebookLM does the heavy lifting for you. It automatically finds the top ranking competitor pages for your keyword. You don't have to manually search and save PDFs. NotebookLM does it all. Then you can add your customer support FAQs or chat transcripts if you have them. And if you've already started writing, upload your draft too. The more relevant sources you give NotebookLM, the better your output will be. Now, let me walk you through the exact prompts I use. These are the same prompts I use for the AI Profit Boardroom when we're creating content about AI automation strategies. First, you're going to start a deep research session in NotebookLM. Then you're going to paste this exact prompt, research the top ranking pages for the keyword AI automation for small business, and produce a top-level content brief, including search intent, top 5 subtopics to cover ideal word count range, 6 suggested H2s, and 3 unique angles to outrank competitors. Watch what happens. It spits out a complete brief. You'll see it tell you the search intent. Is this informational, commercial, transactional? Then it gives you the exact subtopics you need to cover, the word count you should aim for, 6 ready-to-use H2 headings, and 3 angles that your competitors aren't using. This alone would take you an hour to research manually. NotebookLM does it in 90 seconds. But we're not done. Now you want headlines, so you paste the next prompt. From the brief, generate 10 headline variations using emotional triggers like insane, free, or game-changing, and include short social captions for each. Now, NotebookLM gives you 10 different headline options, each one optimized for clicks, each one with a social media caption ready to go. You can test these headlines, see which one performs better, use them for your title tag, your H1, your social posts, everything. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AISEO online and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Next up, keyword clustering. This is huge. Paste this prompt. Produce a cluster list with the primary keyword, 6 LSI or secondary keywords, 5 long-tail questions for FAQ, and 3 internal pages to link from this article using the uploaded pages as sources. What you get back is gold, your main keyword, 6 related keywords to sprinkle throughout your content, 5 actual questions people are asking that you can turn into an FAQ section, and 3 internal pages from your own site that you should link to. This is how you build topic authority. This is how you keep people on your site longer. Now let's write the intro and meta tags. Here's the prompt. Write a 300-word intro that matches the user intent how to and includes the primary keyword in the first 50 words. Then draft meta title with 60 characters or less and meta description with 155 characters or less. Boom. You've got your intro written. Your keyword is in the first 50 words like it should be. And you've got your meta title and description ready to paste into WordPress or whatever CMS you're using. No guessing, no rewriting 5 times. It's done. Here's where it gets really powerful. Schema markup. Most people skip this because it's technical, but rich results get more clicks. So paste this prompt. Create JSON-LD FAQ markup for the 5 long tail questions. NotebookLM will generate the actual code. You copy it, you paste it into your page, and now Google can show your FAQs directly in search results, more visibility, more clicks, more traffic, and you didn't have to learn JSON or hire a developer.